Welcome to 7th Ave Wellness. Have you ever heard the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it just might be true. Apples have been around for centuries, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients that have numerous health benefits. Let's take a look at some of the nutritional benefits of apples and how it affects the body. First off, apples are a great source of several essential vitamins and minerals. Apples are especially high in vitamin C and potassium, both of which can support a healthy immune system. Additionally, apples contain a variety of antioxidants, which protect your body's cells from damage. Apples are also full of dietary fiber, which helps keep you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to snack on unhealthy, processed foods. Fiber also helps to maintain the health of the digestive system, reducing your risk of digestive issues such as bloating, cramping, and constipation. Moreover, apples are a great source of prebiotics, a type of dietary fiber that feeds healthy microbes in your gut. Prebiotics help to maintain the balance of good and bad bacteria, so your digestive system can work as it should. In addition to their nutritive value, apples can have a major effect on weight loss. Eating apples can help reduce calorie intake and cut down on unhealthy snacks. Its high fiber content can also help reduce cravings and keep you feeling satiated for longer. And lastly, apples are naturally sweet, so you don't have to worry about added sugars when adding them to your diet. This makes them an excellent healthy substitute for sugary snacks, like candy and chocolate. So there you have it, all the nutritional and health benefits of apples. If you're looking to make healthier dietary choices, adding apples to your diet is a great way to start. Not only will they give your body the nutrition it needs, they'll also leave you feeling fuller and more satisfied. Now it's time to grab an apple and get healthy. From all of us at 7th Ave Wellness, thank you for joining us today.